Let's talk about the design process and how you arrive at a floor plan for your Satterwhite log home.
Hi, I'm Josh. This is Blake again, and today we've got one of our designers here at Satterwhite, Megan Malmay.
So if you're wanting to get started with the design with Satterwhite, one of the most basic things to do is to start with one of our 7D stock plans. You can go directly just like it is online, or if you'd like to customize that, you can do that too. Whether it be making the porches a different size or making the whole house a different size, we can do that. Just bring it in and we can go over whatever changes you want to make to that. Also, if you can't find anything that you like in there, you're also able to bring in a custom plan. You can find something online from a different website, or you can draw up your own plans, whether it be some design software or something on a piece of cardboard, like one of my customers.
So you can, as you can see, you can go from the most rudimentary drawing, and Megan, and along with our other draftsmen, can take this drawing to the finished stage. Megan, what are the stages of this?
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is a rough draft plan. So after our initial meeting where we go over all the changes you want to make to the plan, we'll do a rough draft first, and then you'll get a chance to make revisions to that and send it back to me, and then I'll make a preliminary. And then again, you'll be able to make changes to that, send it back, and then we'll go to a final. So you've actually got 2 opportunities to make changes to your plans after the initial consultation.
What if a customer just has some roundabout ideas, but they're afraid that they're not going to work on paper? Can you help them?
Yeah, so there's no need to be intimidated by the design process. That's what we're here for, Jeremy and I both. You just let us know what you want, and we can help you decide, okay, well, what size room do you want, and where do you want your doors and windows? We'll make it as easy as possible for you.
So you can help the customer with things like furniture layout, stuff like that.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Well, thanks for watching again today. Please, if you've got any questions or like any topics discussed, comment below, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for fresh content.